Now it's time to work with the photo. This is a photo of a girl, because sometimes you can find photos of some abstract substances, and it's also a bit difficult for Midjourney to recreate. It's very good with its own imagination, but when it comes with something strange and undescribable even for us, Midjourney can't cope with it. So this photo, I would say that it's not too difficult to recreate, but the hands are still an issue. Let's hope that in version 7 they do something about it. I like this girl. I think that she's similar. This girl is also nice, but on the back there is some aquarium. What is it? Is it a window? Okay, these are not okay. These also not okay. I like these two. So let's try to use the prompt and to use the photo. A typical Unsplash photo. Now let's see what can we do better here. We see a window in the prompt and in the images as well. Here we see something abstract. I don't think that we can recreate this because I don't even know what it is. Portrait photography of a blonde woman with long hair leaning against white wall. Teal accents. What about her nails? Because we should, I think that we should write that her nails are teal. Teal nails. Wearing a black t-shirt and shorts. Is she wearing shorts? And white jeans. I don't think that it's shorts. Holding her hand under her chin. Looking at the camera. Okay, this is fine. Maybe we should add something like a window is behind her. And I'd also say perspective. Should it work? Let's try this one. At first we use this image as an image prompt, and we also should try the same using this image as a character reference so that the girl is more alike to the original girl. These are totally from the other prompt, these two. How so? But these are actually rather similar. Oh my god, what Midjourney is doing with hands. This is not bad. This is very close, I'd say. The hands are still a problematic area, and if you want, for example, to create something similar but no hands, you can first of all skip the nails, because the nails are a part of hands, right? So let's add this no parameter to exclude hands, because as you see, Midjourney and hands from different planets. But my mistake here was that no, that was okay, because I thought that it was still a character reference, and I actually don't like these ones which are from character reference. They are even more creepy. These are better, much better. As you see, it still has hands, because it's written here that her hand under her chin. Once again, if you want to remove hands, you should remove also this part. But what we can see is that she's now hiding her hands in her hair or somewhere else. I'd say that this similarity is very decent.